Peking duck traces its roots to the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644, where it was an exclusive delicacy served to emperors. Historical records suggest it was first mentioned in imperial menus during the reign of Emperor Yongle. The dish symbolized wealth and power, prepared only by palace chefs using secret techniques. Its golden, crispy skin was considered a culinary marvel, reserved for royal banquets and diplomatic feasts. Only the most skilled chefs were entrusted with preparing Peking duck in the imperial kitchens. They perfected the art of roasting ducks in wood-fired ovens, using fruit wood like date or peach for a subtle sweetness. The process was shrouded in secrecy, with recipes passed down orally. These chefs were highly respected, and their techniques remained exclusive to the palace for centuries. By the Qing Dynasty, 1644 to 1912, Peking duck began appearing in elite households and later in public restaurants. Bianyifang, founded in 1416, is one of the oldest surviving Peking duck establishments. The dish's popularity grew as chefs left the palace and opened their own eateries, adapting techniques for larger-scale production while maintaining quality. Authentic Peking duck relies on closed brick ovens heated with fruit wood, which imparts a distinct aroma. The ducks are hung on hooks, allowing even heat circulation. This method, unchanged for centuries, ensures crispy skin while keeping the meat tender. Modern gas ovens can't replicate the smoky depth of traditional wood-fired roasting. Peking duck requires specially bred white-feathered ducks, raised for 65 days to achieve optimal fat-to-meat ratio. Farms near Beijing's lakes provide the best candidates, fed a diet of grains and sorghum. Chefs inspect each duck for plumpness and unblemished skin, key to the dish's iconic texture. Before roasting, chefs inflate the duck by pumping air between the skin and fat, a technique dating back centuries. This separates the layers, ensuring the skin crisps perfectly while the fat renders slowly. Traditionally, a bamboo tube is used, showcasing the precision required in Peking duck preparation. After air pumping, the duck is coated in malt syrup diluted with water, giving the skin its signature mahogany hue and sweetness. It's then air-dried for 6 to 12 hours in a cool, ventilated space. This step is crucial. It tightens the skin and ensures even roasting, resulting in the perfect crunch. Roasting is a 90-minute process where the duck rotates slowly in the oven, basted in its own fat. Chefs monitor the temperature closely, ensuring the skin crisps without burning. The result is an even golden brown color and a smoky aroma, a testament to centuries of refinement. Carving Peking duck is a theatrical performance. A skilled chef slices the duck into 120 thin pieces, each with a perfect ratio of skin to meat. The first cuts are the crispiest skin, served alone, followed by meat slices. This precision honors the dish's imperial heritage. Peking duck is served with thin wheat pancakes, hoisin sauce, and julienne scallions. Diners spread sauce on a pancake, add duck and scallions, then roll it into a wrap. This method balances textures and flavors, a tradition unchanged since the Qing Dynasty. In China, Peking duck is a dish for celebrations, weddings, reunions, and business banquets. It symbolizes hospitality and prosperity. Serving it whole represents unity, while the shared act of wrapping pancakes fosters camaraderie. Its cultural significance rivals its culinary fame. Chinese immigrants introduced Peking duck worldwide in the 20th century. Upscale restaurants in New York, London, and Paris adapted it to local tastes while preserving core techniques. Today, it's a staple of Chinese cuisine abroad, often served as a luxurious centerpiece. Contemporary chefs experiment with Peking duck, deconstructed wraps, foam sauces, or duck confit spring rolls. Yet, the essence remains: crispy skin and tender meat. These innovations attract younger diners while paying homage to the dish's history. Efforts are underway to list Peking duck as UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. Advocates highlight its 600-year legacy, from imperial kitchens to global tables. Recognition would safeguard traditional techniques and honor the chefs who perfected them. Peking duck remains China's most iconic culinary export, bridging history and modernity. From emperors to world leaders, it's a dish that tells a story of craftsmanship, cultural pride, and shared joy. As long as ovens glow and knives slice, its legacy will endure.